Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Cash App account recovery without email. First things first, if you don't have access to your email, you can still recover your account using your phone number linked to the account. Just open Cash App, tap login and choose the phone option instead of email. Enter your number and you will receive a code via text. Once you verify it, you should have access to your account again. Now, if you no longer have access to your old phone number or email, tap Can't access your account and follow the prompts to contact Cash App support. Provide details like your cash tag, full name, linked bank information, or recent transactions to prove your identify. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to get notified whenever we upload our next tech tutorial video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.